So Slingshot brings corporates and startups together, and we were introduced to HCF at a time when they were looking really to do some innovative things with working with startups.
Our vision is around making healthcare more affordable, more understandable, more customer-centric and high quality for our members. And in order to do that, innovation is really a fundamental pillar around how we actually drive that change. And the Catalyst program is all about linking up us as a big corporate with the startup community and that innovation that's going on out there. We think by bringing these innovative ideas together and us being able to work together, we should be able to develop ideas that will actually help improve the healthcare of our members.
From what you'll see tonight is a really varied and diverse group of startups. Startups that are looking to solve issues around cancer, heart health, mental health. There's data analytics. It's a real cross-section. So we're really proud of what the startups have been able to achieve in a short period of time. So you really get a sense of that when you see them here tonight.
So Dreamwell create apps that gamify running. So you exercise and you listen to your earphones and you become the hero in a story.
The biggest thing for us, I think, was like learning from mentors, people who have been through the program and have started successful startups themselves, and they could pass on like learnings to us. So, things about like how to interview customers, answering open-ended questions, how to validate your business, and how to reach out using effective digital marketing techniques was really invaluable for us.
We offer a convenient, scientifically validated way for clinicians to help cardiac rehab patients by offering remote cardiac rehabilitation. We're actually saving people's lives doing this. So at the moment, cardiac rehab, less than 1/3 of people who should do it do it. If they do cardiac rehab, they have a 40% better chance of survival and 25% less likely to die than if they don't do it. So it seriously makes a difference to people's lives, and we would like to bring it to as many people as possible.
Cure is a remote monitoring service for seniors living independently in their own home. We place sensors in the home so that professional caregivers and family caregivers can have better insight into what's happening in the home when they can't physically be there. Anything that can maintain that dignity and keep people in their homes is something that we're passionate about. Probably the best thing about the program for us is that we've been operating in the US market, and so the opportunity to work with a brand like HCF that certainly has a better understanding in terms of the Australian system, and so it was a good experience for us to get a better grip on the market here and the difference between the US and the Australian market. I'd love to chat to you afterwards, but for now, thank you very much. Appreciate your time.
Oh, look, it was terrific. Some great innovators out there. And for me, the opportunity of being able to see some of them were terrific.
Tonight was very interesting. There's a lot of awesome apps out there, cool ideas.
I always find these nights really inspiring, and it makes me confident as to why I'm in the innovation space. But mostly I really liked hearing about some of the partners that we could potentially partner with, and I've already been talking with my colleagues about who we'd like to get to start chatting to.